Stay aware of your surroundings. If you see something suspicious in the station or on the train, tell a police officer or an ATA employee. Thanks for riding with us. This is Jackie Roosevelt Avenue. Attention everyone. There are over 158 separate subway stations. Please check nc.info/elevators for real-time elevator status at your station. Transfer to the Q47 and the LaGuardia Link Q70 bus service to LaGuardia Airport. Transfer to the Q53 select bus service. This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the center of the platform. This is a Manhattan-bound E Express train. The next stop is Queens Plaza.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.